Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of connection problem on the application of My Calendar. You will go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can go to above and you can search about My Calendar. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.